In this step, I'm going to explain how to add new symbol to icon menu. In order to do this part, you need to select a schematic tab of ribbon and in the Other Tools panel, choose Icon Menu Wizard button. The Select Menu File dialog box will be displayed. In this part, you can enter the name of the icon menu file, and also by choosing Browse button, it is possible to select the icon menu file. After selecting your desired file, the name and path of the icon menu will be displayed. By using the schematic button, the default schematic icon menu file will be displayed, and similarly, by choosing panel button, the default panel icon menu file will be displayed. I'm going to click on the OK button, and as you see, the icon menu wizard will be displayed. In the top right corner of this dialog box, you can click on the Add button and the list of tools will be displayed. If you choose Components option, a new dialog box will be shown. In the Name Edit box, you can type your desired name for the symbol. In the next step, we have Block Name Edit box, and by clicking on Browse button, you can select the drawing file of the symbol which was created early. I find my own drawing name that I had inserted in previous step. After that, I'm going to click on the Pick button to select my own object and create the image. So I choose the whole sketch, and the preview of selected symbol will be shown in this part. In the last step, I select OK button, and finally, this icon will be added and the icon menu wizard, and you can place it in your drawing. After this time, it is possible to insert your own created symbol from icon menu. If you intend to add wire, it will be inserted in the pins point that you had specified in the previous steps.